Have you ever tried making money using a bot? With the current advancement in technology, there are several bots out there that can help you make loads of money. Today, I will be sharing the bot I have been personally using that is paying me $850 passively every single month. This is the best bot out of all the ones I found online. You don't have to do the real work, the bot will handle everything for you. All you need to do is to set it up correctly, and it will start printing money like magic. This is a verified bot, trusted by big giants in the space. I will be guiding you with a step-by-step process on how to set up the bot correctly. Just make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. This bot that I am about to introduce to you guys is a great way to make money, especially if you are a writer. Don't worry if you don't like writing at all. I will share another bot that will help you make money magically. Now the first bot that I am going to share, it will help you write better and provides proofreading services for absolutely free. You just need to click the button that says Start Writing, and the bot will magically write the whole article or script for you. Once you approve, the bot will automatically proofread your work and mention the mistakes you have made in the text. All your spelling errors or grammar mistakes will be fixed by just clicking a button. How cool is that? This is literally the best way to make money online. The name of this amazing bot is Hey Money Crushers! Welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my money crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. You might be wondering whether this will require you to do the hard work like writing yourself. But hey, that is not the case. Ideally, the 3 websites I'm going to share with you today will simplify everything to ensure you don't even have to lift your finger. The first website you are going to use for this is cjinc.info. CJ translates to creative jobs, and on this platform, you can find several creative jobs. All these jobs can be easily completed from the comfort of your home. Now what I want you to do is to click on the Careers menu on the top right. Once you do that, you will be presented with several jobs that are currently available. Among them, you will find online proofreading jobs. And as you can see here, they have mentioned that you will be making $5 to $10 for every 1,000 words. All you need to do is to copy the task from the client and pass it to the bot. And your job is done. The bot will automatically fix all the grammatical errors and spelling mistakes. You will get a refined copy in seconds, which you can now submit and get paid $5 to $10 as free money. If you repeat this process 10 times a day and even get paid the minimum amount, you will be making $50 every single day. At the end of the month, you will receive a paycheck for $1,500 for just doing this simple task. I am so amazed by this process. This is literally the best way to make money online using bots. The best part about this is that you can work from anywhere on this planet and at any time you want. You will be your own boss after to start doing this. Now before I move on any further, I want my money crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. The second website that you can use with this bot is called legit.com. Now Legit is a freelancing site similar to Fiverr and Upwork. You can see that people from all over the world are providing their services on this platform. You will notice a writing tab under the Legit logo on their homepage. This will open a drop-down menu, and I want you guys to select editing and proofreading over here. This will open a filtered list of all the freelancers who are offering proofreading as a service. You will notice people are charging around $10 for proofreading a single document. All these people are manually doing this task and putting in hours to deliver this. With the bot I'm going to share, you will be able to do this in a matter of seconds and get paid $10 every single time. All you need to do is to sign up on this platform as a seller and start making absolutely free money. The fact that your work will be flawless and will be delivered super fast, you will receive positive reviews and will get clients super easy and fast. This has helped you easily rise and grow in the space, translating to more money every single day. Just register on this website by filling in your details and start making money. Now the third website on our list here today is peopleperhour.com. This site is very similar to legit.com. You will be selling proofreading as a service here and getting even more clients. All you need to do is to sign up on their platform by filling in your details and register yourself as a proofreader. Whenever a client comes to you for work, you just need to copy and paste everything to the bot, and the bot will magically finish the job for you in seconds. Now it's time to share the bot with you guys that is going to make all of this possible. The name of this new bot is SlickWrite. You can access this bot by visiting slickwrite.com. If you scroll through the website, you will notice that this bot can check for grammar and spellings in just seconds. You just need to copy and paste the text, and the bot will check the spelling and grammar for you. You can even rewrite the whole text with just a click of a button. So there you have it, guys. This was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.